Let me ask you something. Have you ever wanted to invest in real estate but stopped yourself because you didn't have the cash, credit, or experience? I've been there, and I know how frustrating it can be, but here's the truth. You don't need deep pockets or a bank to get started. You just need the right strategies, and that's why I wrote CreativeCash. When I got started, I was stuck spinning my wheels and constantly hearing, "You need money to make money." But then I discovered two game-changing strategies: master lease options and seller financing. These allowed me to buy my first 400 units without stepping into a bank or qualifying for a loan. That's exactly what I share in CreativeCash, a step-by-step guide to buying property without traditional financing, finding hidden opportunities in emerging markets, negotiating and closing deals with confidence, using other people's money to create wealth. And here's the best part. You can get your copy for free. I'll pay for the book. You just cover shipping and handling. But don't wait. We've printed a limited number of copies, and they're going fast. In today's economy, creativity isn't just an advantage, it's essential. Don't wait for the perfect moment to start, because that moment is now. Click the button below to grab your free copy of CreativeCash and start turning your real estate dreams into reality.